Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Deconstruct Breakout Control DS Serum 8% PAD plus 5% succinic acid. PAD stands for potassium azelaic diglycinate. The provided quantity is 30 ml. The price is 799 rupees. This is non-sponsored video. The product is available on Smitten, Nykaa, Myntra and on the Deconstruct website too. I had bought this from the Smitten application. This is cruelty free, dermatologically tested, SLS paraben free, fragrance free, made in India product. Let's see what it claims. This contains 8% of PAD, that is potassium azelaic diglycinate. It helps to control the sebum and improve the skin texture. The next main ingredient is 5% succinic acid. That is helps to control the acne causing bacteria and protects the skin. Why should we use this? It protects against acne causing bacteria and the future breakouts. It works on the fading the acne marks, controls the sebum production and acne. This serum consists of increased concentration of 8% of azelaic diglycinate along with the 5% succinic acid. 8% of PAD is a derivative of azelaic acid, which is known to treat inflammation, acne, and regulate the sebum. 5% succinic acid inhibits the growth of acne causing bacteria and protects the skin from future breakouts. Let me share the review now. I have oily, sensitive, acne prone skin. Using this serum from around 10 days, it gave me little bit acidic, stronger feeling just above the skin. I applied this after toner. I didn't get any tingling sensation, but I will not buy this again in the full size product. I didn't see that much reduction in the pigmentation and dark spots. It gave me irritation only. I have stopped to use this. My skin repairing now. The irritation was something small pimples or something like that happen, which is healing now. This formula is quite strong for my skin. I had already used the 3% azelaic acid serum. I'll share the review of that product too. Okay, what's your thoughts on this product? Let me know. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.